Well, our snowstorm is continued on. It's about 3 in the afternoon. The drift in front of our garage keeps getting bigger and bigger.
See, the snow is still coming down.
Yep, she's coming down pretty good yet. And the wind keeps picking up. Well, our storm is over now.
See, he just went out. He didn't even go north and south.
Some roads ain't plowed out yet. Our grader guy takes forever to get out around here. The side road we lives on, a pretty main one, so that got graded out, but...
It's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it is 1 in the afternoon. We need parts to fix our snowblower and tractor, so we can finish plowing our driveway out. But we figure we probably got close to that 18-inch mark. It just all blew around all over the place though. You wouldn't have been able to make it up the road this morning before the grader came through, even with 4-wheel drive. There's just too many drifts everywhere. You couldn't hardly tell where the road was in spots. Fields are definitely all full of snow now. We got lots of snow for snowmobiling. That's how you plow snow. We're coming in here on Fleet Farm and look at the pile they got from their big old parking lot.